In this video we are going to set up our project. We will be installing Java, Maven, Git, and an IDE. We are going to use IntelliJ community for this project, but if you have experience with different IDEs, you can choose whatever you want. I'm doing this installation on a macOS device, so I'll be using a package manager called Homebrew. This will make our life easier. If you don't have it, don't worry, I'm just going to show you how to install it right now. Open up a browser, type Homebrew, go to the first page, and to install it you just need to copy this line, open up a terminal, paste that line and execute it. I'm not going to do that because I already have it, so it doesn't make sense. Next, we are going to install Java. We are going to use OpenJDK, the latest version, which I believe is 18. You just simply need to do brew install OpenJDK. I'm going to do that right now. So I open my terminal, introduce the command, wait for it to finish. And if you read the information over here, there are still some steps that we need to do. So for example, I will want this symlink. So I'm just going to do it. It will ask for my password. And then also I will want to export the path. Okay, so now we are basically done with Java. Let's check if everything is running. So I'm just going to do Java -version. And we have version 18 installed and running. Perfect. Next on our list will be Maven. Switching back to Homebrew, I'll search for Maven. This is the one. So again, very simple, do install Maven. Let's do it. It's finished. Let's see the version, if it's installed correctly. Yeah, and it's also using the same version of OpenJDK that we downloaded earlier. The next step would be to install Git. I believe I already have Git installed, so I'm going to skip this, but for your case, just do the same stuff, the same command, go to Homebrew, brew install Git, and you're done. The last step would be to install an IDE. So for our course, we are going to use IntelliJ. So they have a free version. If you go to download, they have an ultimate edition, which for which you need to pay money. It requires a license, and then you have a free version, the community one. We are going to use the Apple Silicon version because this macOS, this Mac device has an ARM processor. Okay, this is almost done. Then simply open this, drag it, and now it should be installed. So I'm going to open it just to check that everything is all right. I confirm, and perfect. This is the screen that I wanted. In our next lesson, we are going to download the starting GitHub repository and configure it in IntelliJ, and see you there.